Usborne is the best at keeping children of all ages busy with hands-on books. Here are just some of my favorite series. So do you know Don't Tickle the Hippo? We now have Don't Tickle the Lion and Don't Tickle the Dinosaur. You might make it grunt. Don't Tickle the Pterodactyl. You might make it screech. Each one has a touchy-feely patch to tickle and a sound music tab at the end. Children love touchy-feely. They love sound and music books. They're really engaging, and they have an on and off switch as well. Okay, magic painting books. Do you know them? They really are like magic in keeping kids busy and calm. You just dip the paintbrush in water, fill in the blank spaces, and the colors magically appear. We have lots of great options with those. Kids absolutely love them. And another type of art book we have are our fingerprint activities books. We now have bugs, non-toxic stamp pad there for them to put their little fingers on and make their own little creative designs with some guidance. We have lots and lots of pocket-sized books. I love our new word puzzles and games full of all kinds of activities, and I love the variety in this. This is awesome for a little extra gift and something. Nobody makes sticker books like Usborne. We've got the little sticker books from aquarium to pets to farm to sparkly princesses. They're all reusable stickers. We have those first sticker books. I love the jobs. Children are fascinated by the different jobs that people do, and here's a fun sticker book showing those off. The Build Your Own series is super creative. Space Warriors is the newest in the series. We have lots of great options. You read about the character you're making, read about the stats at the bottom, and then of course find their stickers to create that awesome character. And of course the very famous Sticker Dolly Dressing books. Dozens of options with these, and they are also reusable. We also have some great fold and fly options where there's actually paper that you pull out, beautiful designs on all of them, and then the instructions of folding and flying them within the covers. We also have fortune tellers, and we have some super unique and fun music books. Here you can learn how to play different nursery rhymes within this keyboard book by matching up the color dots on the instruction sheet. Or maybe you want to learn drumming or guitar or the xylophone. Lots of great instrument books for keeping them busy and learning.